Hello, parents and guardians. I hope all is well. Just giving you a couple of updates for this week and what to expect in Ms. Eisenhower in my class this week. So, just as a reminder, and this is something that Ms. Eisenhower and I have noticed in the past few weeks, that IDs are part of the uniform. Number one, for safety reasons, we want to know um, who is on campus, and that goes for the staff, the students, and any visitors. So IDs are very, very important. Officer Baker has stressed that these have to be worn at all times. We have started taking away dojo points for not having the ID, for not being responsible. If your child has lost their ID, please send $3 for the replacement ID. Also, students must have Chromebooks charged every day. So make sure your student, when they are finished with using their Chromebook for the day, that they plug it up at home. Chargers should be left at home. We're having a lot of trouble with students coming up and saying that their Chromebook is not charged, and then they're missing classroom instruction because they have to charge their Chromebook. And we do understand that there's some times where you just simply forget, and we do have one extra Chromebook charger in our classrooms, but whenever there's 5 kids with um, Chromebooks that are not charged, that becomes a problem. So please just make sure, help us out, and making sure that the Chromebooks are charged. The book fair is this week and it begins tomorrow. So students will be able to go to the book fair before or after school. And actually, we are going to be at the book fair on Friday. I will take the kids to preview the book fair first, and there's the video I have to show in class, just showing them what kind of books they can get. So definitely don't send any money yet. If you want to, you can, but just know that they will have the chance to go and preview it, and then we'll also be going on Friday. So if your student wants to buy something, you certainly can send it on Friday. So there's a fundraiser, Dress Down for United Way, on Friday. I'm pretty sure that the amount is $1. It has been in the past. If that changes, I will let you guys know. And also, as a sixth grade fundraiser, we have tie-dye lanyards for sale for $5. This is going towards our camping trip, which you will receive more information later on. But we're selling them for $5, and these do include a clear plastic name tag badge, so that if the name tag breaks, it's still protected in it. And the lanyards are tie dye, and they have the school logo on it. So here's the plan for my class this week. In wind time, we'll be doing our book study with clubs on Friday. In Core 1, we're going to start out with taking the language quiz 3. The students have that homework from last week. We'll go over it, and then they'll take the quiz. We'll be able to finish the station work from last week, and then we'll do a Quizlet live to review the social studies notes from last week as well. For the remainder of the week, we will have ELA and social studies stations. On Friday, we will have the language quiz 4, media center, and then they'll be able to finish their station work on Friday as well. For after school, notice I have tutoring on Thursday till 4 o'clock. And one thing that I want to mention about tutoring, so Miss Eisenhower's day is going to be on Tuesday, my day is going to be on Thursday. But if it's something that, for example, they can't come on Thursday, but they missed the quiz in my class, they can certainly stay on Tuesday with Miss Eisenhower, and Miss Eisenhower and I will communicate with each other, just so we know what that student is staying for. Same for myself. If a student missed a test or missed a quiz in math, they're certainly able to stay on Thursday. If it's something that they actually need instruction in math for, then I would recommend them to stay on Tuesday with Miss Eisenhower, because there'll be some students that will need me for ELA and social studies on Thursday. But I just didn't want you guys to think that, oh, that's only for ELA and social studies or math and science. If they have any missing work, they can do it. Or if they just want to stay and do homework, we're usually there, but we didn't want to do tutoring on the same day. So if a student stays on Thursday and they have a quick question on their math homework, Miss Eisenhower will probably be there, or another math teacher will probably be there. If you have any questions about that, feel free to ask us. And also on Friday, I will be leaving around 2 o'clock because I will have class at High Point. Oops, wrong one. All right. So this is for Miss Eisenhower. Again, win time looks the same for her. Um, in math, she's going to begin Unit 2, which is going to be factors and multiples. The homework is the spiral review. So Monday column is due on Tuesday, Tuesday column is due on Wednesday, um, and so on and so forth. So she will continue to do in math greatest common factor and prime factorization. And then on Friday, she's going to add least common multiple. They also have their homework quiz on Friday. And like I said, she'll have tutoring on Tuesday until 4 o'clock. So that is our plan for this week. We're looking forward to another great week. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us on Dojo or email or on phone. Thank you guys.